Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. I apologize, I missed the month of March. Shit was crazy. Didn't have time to do anything. Box came really late. But here we are with the April box. This month specifically, I'm excited because there was a lot of previews of different things that were supposed to be in the box, and there's a lot of variations, so in my head I have something that I want and I hope it's in the box. But I was most interested in the My Little Pony one. I feel so weird being my age and being like, I want the My Little Pony one. I just got home a little bit ago. This is in the mailbox waiting for me. So let's open it and see if I got what I wanted. If not, let's see what I got, period. There's I watched some videos earlier and it was like so disappointed, and it was people that were getting like a palette that they already had. It's like, I have one ColourPop palette and I got the same one that I have, or I got a palette that I hate that I already gave away, and it's like, sorry. I'm sorry y'all feel that way. I don't have any ColourPop palettes, so I'm excited to try one either way. I have a bunch of singles that I don't really use because they're in like a, you know, a Z palette where I don't really pull it out at all, and shame on me. But anyway, let's see what we got, alright? I did not. That's okay though. I'm gonna set this down. I can see what I did get though. So this, it's a different card, and I know that they're pretty proud of the size of this card. I actually got a palette that like a lot of people have given bad reviews, so that's funny. So this month is called Eye Candy, and if you don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month. Right now there's no wait list, so you can get certain things, or you can see what's coming out. You can opt in for that box to get, you know, that box, and you could disconnect if you wanted to. So, and on the back there are two coupons, one for 10% off Tarte, and then one for Dr. Brandt. So let's get into this box. So the one that everybody knows about is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Max. That doesn't have any ingredients on it, so that's good. And this is a Desi high definition liquid lipstick, and it's sealed with a kiss of lipstick. This looks like every color we all have. Is there not a name for this? Like, there's nothing on the bottom, there's nothing on the top here. No say. So there's that. That's number 2. This is the shade Sparkler and the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. See the dot. Is she cute though? It's got glitter in it. So it's not like a very smooth liquid highlighter, but c'est la va. This is the Brow Gal Instant Brow Hair Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. Shade 2. Oh, and I've seen in some other videos where people are saying what number variation box they got. On the back of this card, in this bottom corner, nope, in this bottom corner, it says number 2. Same thing when you open it in here, on this bottom corner, it says number 2, so it's the number 2 variation. So there's just this, and then I have the palette I'll show you guys right now. Usually when they send Dr. Brandt products, they have the ingredients list somewhere, so that's kind of weird, because I like the ingredients list. And this is sealed, so that's good. That's good. And so here's what I did get. This is the Golden State of Mind palette. I believe this is the one that was in Sephora. I got really bad reviews. Or was that something else? So there's no plastic covering up these little shadows. Wow, that is all like shimmery, glittery. It's like a few scoops away from being a glitter palette, huh? So how do I feel about this box? It's cute. I mean, it's not you know, when you're taking a gamble anyway, it's like one of 5 or 6 palettes that I wanted, and it's not, and I literally just wanted one out of the so many, so the odds of me not getting what I wanted is pretty high. But as a whole with Boxycharm, I'm sticking stuff back in the box. I'm always really impressed. I always enjoy opening these. I like the suspense, I like the newness, and I like the value. Now what will I actually use? I don't know. I might swatch and play with the ColourPop palette a little bit. I have so much eyeshadow already. Didn't really have any of those like pops of color like the little My Little Pony one did. Or maybe I'll even post it on my Instagram, which is below. And put up if anybody wants to trade, or you can comment below too if you're interested in trading. I don't know, we'll just keep playing. Let's keep playing. Oh. I'm tired. It's like that mid-afternoon nap time. I've been running errands, just got home. Nap time. Just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!